Rain is water that falls out the sky from the clouds. It happens all year round randomly in the spring, summer, fall, and winter perfectly. Rain is special to me in every way that anyone could ever think of. The reasons can go on forever, but only a few are necessary to make my point. That smell when you wake up in the morning or leaving school/work after it just rained brings back pleasant memories every time. Although the rain smell isn't always the same. In the winter and fall it smells cold and like wet leaves. In the summer the smell is just a fresh, wet, dry, almost humid smell. The rain smell is called petrichor, which seems to flow very well and is the perfect name for it. Waking up to this smell is always a pleasant. Stepping outside, I instantly notice the fresh, wet scent of earth. As I continue walking, I willingly allow the sprinkling droplets to envelop my entire body. My shoes are soon soaked. With each step I take, I feel a puddle of water move beneath my feet. The rain hurls itself violently on the dark, slippery pavement. My hair is dripping with ice-cold raindrops which plummet to the earth with every movement I make. The numbing effect of the icy downpour is finally setting in. Fierce thunderclouds sneak into the murderous sky and flashing lightning strikes begin. The rain falls faster and heavier. My feet move quickly as I run down the road. I rush into my house and proceed to stare out the window and observe the vicious storm that is only show more content. As a person lets the cool rain wash over them, a feeling of renewal and cleanliness is created. Depression rates skyrocket during the dark and dreary seasons. This condition is known as seasonal affective disorder. About 5% of adults in the United States live with this condition. The loss of sunlight and increase of poor weather, snow, rain, wind contribute to the severity of the disorder. During the fall and winter months, it often rains. This is one contributing factor to SAD. Although rain can be light and happy, it can also be extremely harsh. Thunderstorms are often present during heavy rainstorms. The electric flashes of light bring about nothing but fear. The pounding rain only intensifies the storm. It is easy to see why the mere sight of rain depresses some people. When rain is mentioned, I think of light, ecstatic sprinkling. However, because of the different experiences each individual has, the opposite conclusion could be made. Raindrops strongly resemble teardrops. Because of this astounding resemblance, a connection between sad teardrops and rain is made. During a rainstorm, the sky is not clear and blue. It is murky and gray. Colors have feelings associated with them. Blue is happy and bubbly while gray is sad and dull. A depressed person will take a quick look at the rain and jump back in their beds. It seems like in every good love story, there is always a passionate kissing scene. A couple gets into a fight, splits.